up, guys? Alright, so next up we're going to get in the car. We're going to start taking out we're going to take out the parking brake cables. We're going to start taking out all the metal hard brake lines underneath the car, and well, let's see what else. There's probably going to be some other interior bits we're going to take out today, but let's continue on. Alright, so what you're going to have under that trim panel is two 10mm on each cable that are just jam nut together, so you got to break those loose. Alright, so we're going to pull this seat back out right now, and then the seat bottom, so we can get the back half of the carpet out and continue working along. To do so, you've got to pull these 5mm hex bolts out of the side to release the seat. I've already got my wrench in there, so that one's out. Alright, so once you remove both of those 5mm hexes, release the seat, pull it forward, pops right out of there, and then find something to do with it. Next, we're going to pop these screws out. Those hold the seat bottom down. Now with those two screws on the bottom released, we can just pop this up, slide it forward, and that's your rear seat removal in the Cabriolet. Alright, now we can see how nasty this thing is. So you may have had a rodent in here, a little bit of rust in the seat bottoms, more rodent evidence, got some cleaning cut out to do. Now we're going to pop up this trim piece here along the base of the door. Just pops right off. It's got clips in there. Just pull up, try not to break it. That also kind of holds the carpet down on this side. So on to the next side.
The final thing to do is release the seat belt, and that is before we pull this back section of carpet out at least. It's a 17 millimeter. Nice and rusty. So I definitely probably should have worn gloves pulling this out, but as you can see, needs some cleaning. This as well, pretty nasty. Not sure what else I'm gonna find in here, but this is only the beginning. Keep all your dirt contained in this thing. Right here we have all this foam insulation that's underneath the carpet. All this stuff is damp. Probably been mildewed before. It's in bad condition, so we're going to take all of this out and it won't be reused. Alright, so that's all the carpet out. That's the foam sound deadening below the carpet that we're throwing out. Only thing I would recommend if you're kind of in the same position with this is I'd probably definitely put on at least like a dust mask, because pulling that stuff up is just kicking everything up and then tossing it out of the car. I wish I would have had one of mine here, but what are you gonna do?